Pewter. I want that sun-kissed glow on the brow bone and onto the cheekbone there. That is the blush ladder technique. Welcome to Lucky Dip. I am Sarah Marie, and this week's episode we are talking blush. I don't know if you've ever heard this technique before, but it's called the blush ladder technique. I show you how to use it, and honestly, my cheeks look like they've climbed a ladder today, so enjoy. Okay. Ooh. Ouch! So we've got the MCoBeauty We've got the MCoBeauty Grip Illuminating Primer today. We also have the Barry M Chisel Cheeks Highlighter. We have the Mecca Max Off-Duty Blush Stick in Popsicle. We've got some Rare Beauty here as well. There's like little minis, they're adorable. So we've got the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in Worth with the matching Worth Cream Blush. Very, very cute. Okay, so today we are going to be doing something called a blush ladder. I'm going to show you that technique. It's quite cool. It's lifting. It's a great way to kind of use all your blush products in one go. So to start off with the blush ladder technique, what we're going to be doing is getting the Glowy Grip Primer. You can do this on your whole face if you want to do foundation on top and make it really glowy. Let's just pretend I've already got foundation on, and we're going to do this purely as a blush technique. That's going to help your blush hold on that spot and also give you that really lovely pick-me-up glow. I'm also going to just pop a little bit of this on my brow bone, just because I want that sun-kissed glow on the brow bone and onto the cheekbone there. Oh, you can really feel it does grip. She's got a lovely grip to her. The next blush I'm going to use. So where you're going to apply this, think of where you apply your blush normally. Go a touch lower, not too low where you would apply like a contour. Rather than doing it up on the cheekbone, just a little bit lower here. And then you're going to blend it up. You can apply this straight on, or you can put it onto the back of your hand, then use your fingers to warm it up and then pat it on as well. So we're going to do this here, and then I'm going to just lift that upwards. And also notice I didn't put the product onto both cheeks then start blending. It's best to do one cheek at a time. Blend that out and then move on to your next cheek. We are going to get the Rare Beauty Worth Cream Blush. So where you applied this blush initially, you're going to go a little higher up now, okay? That's the second blush there. I'm going to just apply that on the other side. Same area, same spot, same technique. It's a beautiful shade. Love, love, love this shade. All right, the next product I'm actually gonna use is not technically a blush. It's actually the Rare Beauty lip product here. This is the tinted lip oil. Same technique, putting it onto your hand first so that you can warm it up with your fingers. You can see it's got a really lovely shade there. This is going to give your blush that really creamy finish. And I also just think in regards to color, it's going to give that a little bit more of a pop. And this one, you're going to go higher up again. Okay, we're going to go over here, kind of above the cheekbone, at an angle, follow the end of your eye and the end of your eyebrow like this. And then I'm going to just use a little bit of this gloss on my lips. If you want to blend it a touch or you need to soften it up, I would use a brush. So we're going to grab a brush like this, a little bit of a fluffy brush, and you can just pat this inner corner here. If you need to just blend the edges a touch, you can use a brush. Now, we are going to use the Barry M Chisel Cheeks. We're not necessarily going to put this on the cheeks. The cheeks are done. That's the ladder technique there. I'm going to put this anywhere I want, more of like a touch of color, like a kiss of glow. So you're going to use this, for example, down the center of the nose. If you are someone that already has an oily skin and you naturally get glow on the center of your nose, you probably are not going to want to do this. You can do a little touch on the Cupid's bow of your lip here. And that's just going to help to like lift the center of your lip. You can do this on the brow bone instead of adding the glowy primer. And because it's a stick, it's super easy to use. You can literally just wipe it on, pat it with your fingers, and you're done. And I'm gonna put just on my chin a little bit here. And then if you want, you can also add a little bit on the inner corner of your eyes here, just to give it a little bit of a lift. And I'm also going to actually put a little bit of this on the outer corner of my eye. Not like an eyeshadow, I'm literally going to use it on the outer corner of my eye, lifting. It might suit your eye shape, it might not. It's worth a try. It's very easy to blend out. If you don't love applying any highlighter in that particular spot, just get like your foundation brush and buff that out a little bit, or get like a makeup sponge and press that in. It will be totally fine. That is the blush ladder technique. This should last you all day, or you can even just pop a setting spray on there and you'll just have this glow day to night. Thank you so much for joining me on this week's episode of Lucky Dip. And as you can see, I do feel like my cheeks have literally climbed a ladder. They are lifting. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and take a look at our socials, at our You Beauty Podcast socials, because we've got a lot of fun stuff going up on there. Bye.